you may have videos from Ensemble still embedded in your course somewhere. To remove them and replace them with videos from Canvas Studio, you're going to need to find where the video is located, which page it's embedded in. Once you find the page where it is embedded, select the page. Then, select the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner. Once this loads and you see the video load, click in the white space to the right of the video, and then backspace until the video is gone. Once you've done this, you're going to select the little button in the toolbar that looks like a plug. Once you do that, if you see it there, you'll select the Canvas Studio button. If you don't see the Studio button there, select View All. Then, you can look down and see the Studio button there. Select that, and it will bring up your studio videos. In this list, find the video you want to replace the former video with, and once you have found it, hit Select. Then, Embed. Now that the video has been added to the page, as we can see here, we can select Save. The video has been added to our page, and the Ensemble video is no longer there.